Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this makeup look for you guys. It's a Christmas party makeup look. It's very simple. I wanted to keep it very simple and easy because there's a lot of Christmas party looks that are very intricate, and you know, if you're someone who's a last minute, don't know what to wear, don't know what colours to go with, or just not that good with makeup, maybe you're a beginner, maybe you want something a little bit easier, a little bit more simple but still a little bit of pizzazz and glitter, then this is a look for you. You can change the eye colour up for any colour that you want, you can change the glitter colour for any colour that you want, but if you want to see how I got this purple glitter Christmas party look, then please keep watching. So like normal, I've already done this eye off camera just to keep this video short and sweet and to the point. It's actually a really simple look anyway, so it's going to be kind of a short video anyway because it is so simple to do. That's why I wanted to do this for a Christmas look. I don't know how chatty I'm going to be, or if this is actually going to end up being a voiceover because your girl's on a period, it's her first day, feeling the effects quite a lot. But you're here for makeup, not for my period. So to start this look off, I went in with a purple base, and for that I I used a Mally Evercolour shadow stick. This is in the shade Iced Plum, and this is such a gorgeous purple shade, and I use this as a base all over my lid. So it looks like we've been punching the eye. That's fine. That pigment is very creamy, so it's very easy to blend out. As you can see, it's opaque as fuck. It's so good as a base, and you can use it as itself by itself. But I'm just going to kind of set it and make it a little bit more purple, a little bit more intense, so we have this like gradient going on. So I'm going to go into the Ultra Bright palette. I keep saying bites. Ultra Bright. See? Ultra Brights palette from NYX. I'm just going to go into the purple shade, the deep purple shade. I'm just going to stick that all over my lid and then just buff it out. Picking up the same pigment on a fluffier brush, I'm just going to buff that in the crease and just keep buffing and blending and using circular motions just to buff it out so we have this gradient going on. All it is just one eyeshadow. That's all you need for this look. I wanted to keep this eye look so simple that literally anyone can do it, and you just need one eyeshadow. That's all I want to do this entire look with. Back into the stick, I'm just going to take that underneath my lower lash line as well. I'm going to do exactly the same as we did to the top. So that's my purple lid eye done. All you have to do is now the glitter. I wanted to keep this very simple. I just wanted to keep it with literally just one eyeshadow because you can have really intricate looks, but I think looks that only require one eyeshadow look just as good, and that's what I want to do for this Christmas video, is to keep it easy, subtle, and a little bit different from the typical greens and reds and full-on glitters. So, for glitter, talking about it, I'm going to go into the NYX Glitter Face and Body Glitter. This is in the shade Crystal. It's just a really easy, simple silver shade. You can go with anything with a purple shade. You could go red, you could go pink, you could go green, you could go black, you could go any colour glitter with purple. It's completely your preference. I just think it's a really cute contrast. And for glitter glue, obviously I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue because it's the best glitter glue on the high streets. Just taking a bit on the back of my hand and using a eyeliner brush, I am just going to basically draw on my wing with this glitter glue and then just stamp the glitter over the top, and we're going to be left with something like this. I'm hoping. My glitter eyeliner could be a little bit camera shy. So I just stuck my lashes off camera. I say lashes, lash. My lash off camera. The lashes that I'm using are these guys from Eyeshadow. These are the Enchanted Collection Heartbreaker lashes. They're a little bit longer on the outer corners, so they're more of a cat eye approach. And you may have noticed that this line has changed a little bit, just a little bit. When I did this liner, it was a little bit thicker than this liner, so while I was off camera I just kind of evened my wings out a little bit. Yes, I have glitter all over the place. I even have it in my hair. It's all over the place. But that's why I did my eyes first, so it wouldn't ruin the base makeup. But to finish the eyes off is mascara. And for mascara, I'm going into the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. You know, it's the only mascara I literally use because it's like the best. So for the face makeup, so we need to prime before we put our foundation on. So for primer, I'm going for a smooth pore minimising, pore blurring primer. Smashbox. It's a holy grail of mine. It's also very expensive, but it's a very expensive holy grail. And I'm just going to keep that to the centre portion of my face because that's where I am more, that's where my larger pores are hanging out. And I'm not a Barbie doll, so I got some stuff to cover. So for foundation, I am going to go with a full coverage foundation. Who am I? I know, I'd never go full coverage, like very, very rarely. But I'm going to go into this guy by Tarte. This is the Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation in the shade Fair Light Neutral. This is probably a little bit too dark for me because, you know, I'm a vampire and I can't shade match for shit. But I just take a very small amount on a brush and we're just going to buff it into my face. Like I said, this may be a little bit too dark for me, but we'll work with it. We can blend it out if in doubt. For concealer, I'm going to go into the Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Beige, also by Tarte. I'm just going to stick it where I normally stick my concealer, because I use this as like a highlighter as well, just to highlight and brighten areas of my face. Using the same brush, I'm just going to buff that out as well. So I'm just going to go into my highlight to finish off the eyes, and this is the Laura Geller Diamond Dust Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Mine's broken. Pray for me. I'm just going to stick that on the inner corners and underneath my brow. To contour the face and bring some colour and definition back to my face, I'm going to go into the Tarte Clay Plate Face Shaping Palette, and I'm going to use these two terracotta grey brown to contour my face. All I'm doing is tapping into both and then just keeping it in the hollows of my cheeks. And then a little bit on my temples. For blush, because we've got this really dramatic purple light, I'm going to add a little bit of pink, just a pop of colour to my cheeks. So for that I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Pink Buttercream, and I can't get into it, I never can. It's still kind of like a nude peach, but it's still kind of pink and it's still very, very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way with this. Trust me on that. I'm just going to stick that to the apples on my cheeks and blend it into that contour. Just to give me a flush of colour, nothing too like dramatic. Going back into the same highlighter as we used for the inner and under the brow, I'm just going to stick that to the high points of my face. And drown myself in it. I feel at Christmas parties this is the perfect time to go OTT with a glitter and the highlight. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. For lips, I'm going to do a kind of classic 90s lip. So I'm going to do a nude lip and a gloss. So the two lip colours I'm going to go into are Cairo and London. These are the soft matte lip cream shades from NYX. A darker one and a slightly lighter one. And I'm just going to stick them to my mouth. Gotta go in with London first. Then I'm just going to add colour to the centre portion. I'm going to go into the Revolution Lip Topper in the shade Exquisite. I love the packaging. It's super cute. And I'm just going to set it to the centre of my lips. And this is the finished look. Everything that I've used will be listed down below for you guys as always. With my Instagram, my Twitter and my PayPal. Any donations made to my PayPal will go straight back into the channel, and I'll be so appreciative of any donations that you make towards the channel. It will just mean so much to me. But if you like this video, then please click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell button to be notified when I upload each every Tuesday with this face. And I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!